Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. For guys who don't know who I am a small YouTuber with like little bit of knowledge on few do-it-yourself stuff kind of thing. So first of all guys, thank you so much for your continuous support for all my subscribers, and you guys have helped me reaching 33,000 plus subscribers. And I'm gonna make this video in Hindi, Kannada and English as well. As this is like the original recording is in English, and I'm gonna make a background add the background audio for in Hindi and Kannada also. So guys, today wherein I have bought two stuffs. One was the chin strap for the camera mount, because my helmet chin didn't had a flat thing. So another thing which I bought is a helmet like Bluetooth headset. So it's time to unbox first, then install. So as I told you, I'm gonna make this video separately. So first was for this chin mount installation, and second one is for this Bluetooth thing. So the packet says Bluetooth BT headset, and these are some specifications over here. So I hope you can see it. Just focus my camera. Okay, you can just read it down. These are the specification of this particular camera. It says Bluetooth version 4.2. It says BR plays EDR, frequency 2.402 gigahertz. Maybe I'm not particular about that. And range says 20 to 30 meters depending on device. And these are the other stuff guys. So it has the inbuilt mic and some controls and other stuff. So it's time to do a quick unboxing. So this has been popped out. It has a USB cable, and it has a user manual which is in English, so it is very good to read. This is the USB a user manual, USB cable, and the device itself. So the device looks premium, so only I can tell once I do the unboxing of this. I mean, once I use it, I'll be able to judge how good the device is. Until that, I'll not be able to make any commitment or a commandment over here. So let me just open this and show you guys. I just came from office. I was exhausted, but still I was very much waiting to just make this unboxing. So it has a velcro over here. So I'm gonna put this velcro inside the helmet first. Then I'm gonna attach this, and I'm gonna show the installation video also. So this is how it's gonna look. This is of rubber. So I'm afraid whether it's gonna fall down. Okay, it's not tight. Okay, maybe it's due to the flexibility. They have used this rubber, but this has a pipe, and here is the on and off button. I don't see light anywhere, and I don't know whether I have to charge this first. Here is the charger. So these are the two speakers which gonna fit inside the helmet. Okay, earpiece, and this is the charging piece, and this is the mic. Is the call receive, volume down, volume up, the control thing. Let me just see the user manual once. And okay, automatic. Okay, oh, this is the call automatic answer switch guys. Sorry, it's not on and off. When you put this on, you don't need to press the answer button. You're gonna like receive the automatic calls. And what else? Okay, the center button which says the call button thing, that is the power button, and here is the mic. This is Okay, this is for the next song, this is for the previous song. Okay, let me just turn on this first and pair with my mobile. I don't know whether I have to charge this first. I'm gonna just try. Take this apart, put this away, push my helmet towards. Okay, so this is the power button. Okay, I can see a light over here. Hope you can see it. And I have to pair with my mobile first. I don't know the name of this. Okay, I'm just trying to search. I see too many things which is Oppo and other stuff. Still not got this. Don't know what would be the name of this. Okay. I'll just press and hold. I'm not able to find this. I guess some song. I think I have got it. Saved, not yet, it's not yet connecting. Go to settings and search from there. Guys, I see there are many Bluetooths available. Let me just type there a new device. MH03. Yes, this is MH03. Okay, the model is given over here. I found it. Pair. Okay, the Bluetooth is connected now. Let me just play some songs and check. I'm gonna say play some no copyrights music because I'm really afraid about the copyrights, because the entire effort will go for a task. Someone claims for a copyright, which is very bad. So you can hear the sound. And this is coming from the Bluetooth itself. So this is more than enough. Okay, this is working fine. So fine guys, the Bluetooth is working fine. So I'm gonna just make some test calls. I'm gonna call my mom. Mama, phone receive ಮಾಡಿ. So the headset are working fine. Okay, so it's time to install this. To install this, first time I have to take my helmet. This was just unboxing, guys. So as once the unboxing is done, here comes the installation part. I'm gonna take the headsets apart. So here comes the actual task now. So I'm gonna make both the video together. I'm gonna zoom in the camera a little bit so you will be able to see it clear. I use this so my helmet will not get damaged. So we open this from here. So guys, let me just remove this and show you. I'm gonna just take this out, the helmet, the camera mount. So it's a bit difficult to take this out because it holds properly. So I'm gonna just taking this out. So here I want to show you the complete channel. So first I'm gonna just remove this. It's fitted perfectly. Yes, it's done. The installation has been done. So it's time to wear the helmet and check. I'm gonna see and tell you whether it's working fine. I'm gonna call my mom again. Okay. Clap. Yeah, fine. So far so good, everything is fine. So it's time to play some music first. I'm gonna call my mom again. Amma, phone receive madi. I feel the right side volume high and the left side low. Hello. ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ So guys, it's perfect, and wherein the headset which I saw on the website Amazon and Flipkart, those headsets were costing me a bit expensive. It was like around what do you say, 1500 or 1200. The charging port is over here. I can just connect the charger, charge it, and then just gonna let it hide. I can hide it inside. So let me check if I can charge. Oh yeah, perfect. So I can charge the headset by just putting it down. So it's getting charged. So this was the quick unboxing, guys. and the installation of the Bluetooth headset. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I made an unboxing and then I installed it, both the videos. So please let me know your feedback in the comment section, and let me know if this video was useful to you or not. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe my channel and help me in growing up. You can check out my both the channel, which is Abhilash V R, the main channel, and the other channel which is only for riding and riding gears kind of thing. So which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. So please have a check, subscribe my channel, both the channel, and help me in growing, guys. Thank you so much. Catch you in my next video. Till then, see ya, bye bye, take care.